First thing you want to do is you get your guide cut in the front. Once you do that, that's your front guide. Comb it back. And then do your center guide. Cut your center guide. Then you meet both sides. Meet this side, that side. Then go to the other side. Pull it forward like this. And then lift up and meet. Real simple. And then you come over here. And you meet the sides. Now, for the back, you bring your guide down right here in the center. So you grab it here, cut your center guide in. Come all the way down, taper it down. Now, meet both sides. Match from here to the center. And the same from here to here. From here to there. Now, you take your thinning shears and taper everything with your thinning shears. So you do a fade with the thinning shears. So fading means you come in and come out like you're doing a fade. So you come in, come out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Texture and blend. See that? Now texture and blend right here. Texture and blend. Fade in, fade, go in and out. Come in, then come out, come in, then come out, come in, then come out. Now, texture and blend. Head up. Now as for the front, texture going up. And then tips. Right here in the front, texture going up. And then the tips. And if anything seems heavy like right there, you go in, take it out.